Rachel. Hello, Rachel. I saw your question, and instead of typing on chat, I thought I will come online and answer it directly from here. Well, you are a bit concerned about Italy 40, if you should have put a stop loss. Basically, I'm looking right now on the chart, on the 5 minutes chart of Italy 40. Me, myself, I will not put a stop loss since the second position is almost in money. But if you like to put a stop loss, and I can totally understand if you are concerned and you don't want to leave your position naked as it is right now, my recommended stop loss on this position is at 18,945. This is my recommended take profit. Let me write this on chat. So hello, Rachel. My recommended stop loss. My recommended stop loss for Italy 40 is, there we go. I just wrote it also on chat for you, Rachel, but me, myself, I will keep it for now without a stop loss, because I believe that it will try a few times more to hit against the middle Bollinger Band and then turn downwards. This is what I believe on Italy 40. But if you feel more confident with it, just go for this take stop loss. You're welcome, Rachel. And also for Howard, I'm not sure if he left already. He had also a small pull question. Oh, he left already. When he comes back, I will reply to his question as well. So thank you, guys. If you have any worries, just type it on chat. I will be here. So see you in a short while. Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Basically, just a few updates, guys. As I have informed you in the chat room, we have closed our New Zealand positions, as you can see, long positions, and we have raised so far the daily profits to 8,810. Now, in just a few minutes, we have important announcements for the Canadian dollar. So I will stay with you live for the next few minutes, and then our live trading session will start in approximately half an hour from now. Just to let you know, I'm expecting retail sales figures and Bank of Canada CPI for the Canadian dollar. We are monitoring the dollar CAD. Of course, we are interested on this pair because we have short positions. So get ready. You will experience some nice volatility on dollar CAD, especially during news announcements. Dollar CAD is a very volatile pair, and it will be very interesting to see how this pair will react. So for the moment on dollar CAD, I am short at 1.3054. Stop loss 1.31074, TP 1.3154. Many of you are asking me how this system I'm using works. My philosophy, as I have repeated before, why shall I hit a stop loss on my trades and not reverse them and take them as a profit? So as you can see, these are all the New Zealand positions. Let me classify them. So if I let the initial trade, I would have lost almost $4,000. But because of the system I'm using, the cyclical trading hedging system, I have reversed the $4,000 of loss to $3,800 of profit. Okay, that's the system I'm using. And if you would like to know more about it, and with every single detail, you need to arrange a one-to-one session to discuss more about it. So my eyes now are on dollar CAD. As you can see, I'm monitoring the 15-minute chart of the dollar CAD. Who is with us, guys? Who is with me? Very important moment for today, since we are expecting important announcements for the Canadian dollar. Who is with me? Just type in the chat room so that I know that you are monitoring that. Nuno is with me. Nice. Did you see, Nuno, how the system works? Instead of hitting stop loss and losing $4,000 with my reversal calculations, I have managed to make $3,800 because in the morning I was 5,000 up and now I'm 8,800. Okay, so this is how it works. So if you would like, arrange a one-to-one session. Okay, the volatility has started. Volatility, oh, there we go, guys. There we go. Volatility has started. We are getting ready to hit TPs on dollar CAD. Let's see. I don't know why the platform is not loading. We are getting ready, guys. We have reversed our positions to net long. Let me see, guys. There we go. We have reversed our positions to net long. What's going on? Why the platform is not loading? Come on. The prices are excellent, but the chart is not, for some reason. There is a spike. Okay. Anyway, we continue with our trades. Just all right, there we go. We are getting ready to hit TPs on dollar CAD, and we just hit TPs on dollar CAD, guys. We just hit take profits on dollar CAD, and guess what? We have suffered a loss. We have suffered a loss, guys, because of the volatility. We have suffered a loss because of the volatility, because of the spread. It happens. It happens. So for the day, I returned to negative. This is what happens if you have volatility. All right, no worries. We will make them back. So we had a loss of around $8,000 on dollar cut rate. So a huge spike. Don't know why we had this loss. Anyway, we are keeping the rest of the positions. If you remember, the profits were 8,800 and now we are minus 625. We had a loss of $8,000. It's part of the game. So we continue with the next of our trades and positions. So we are only left now with two trades, two pairs basically, Aussie dollar and dollar CHF. I will be back with more updates. So let's see how the day will develop and if we will have any more reversals. Thank you. Okay, guys, just a confirmation so that you can see me and hear me properly. Just type yes. All right, great. So, welcome to our afternoon session shortly after the Canadian dollar news announcements, which because of the volatility, guys, the pair has not treated me well. Actually, if you remember in the morning, I was up $8,800, but as you can see now, I have lost around $9,500 from the dollar CAD position. It's also part of the game. So we are down negative now for the day, 6,600. No, actually we're down $626. The loss is minimal, but we have lost, I have personally lost all of my today's trades. It happens, no worries. We have made money the whole week, so no worries at all. Our Aussie dollar position is doing great. As you can see, we are approaching fastly our take profit. And also, if the Aussie dollar closes today, I'm left only with one pair, dollar CHF. If it doesn't close until the end of the session, I will keep it, guys, over the weekend. And when we come back on Monday, we will check how the trade is. So my eyes for the moment are on Aussie dollar. As you can see, we are we are almost there to our TP. We are just missing less than 10 pips to hit our TP and eventually turn again our account daily balance to positive. So keep calm and follow Trademy. That's my slogan. And I would like to personally welcome everyone in our afternoon session. Let's check who is with us. And I would also like you to give me an update of how your positions are are done. If you have traded dollar CAD, if you have traded euro dollar, how did these positions go, guys? So I see online Andrian. Good afternoon, Andrian. Daniel, as always, a stable fan of Trademy.com. Fred is your first time here. You are from British Columbia in Canada. A lot of Canadian citizens we have online with us. I think many more are from Canada as well. And I would like to personally welcome you since this is your first time here. George, I see Jeff, Jenna, I see Mary Jones. Aussie dollar, $50. You shorted it. You were long or short, Daniel, on Aussie dollar? Because I'm long. Okay, and you have short 50 lots on Aussie dollar. All right. On Aussie dollar, we are long, but since you have made it, you have made $4,600. Excellent. Good job. So I think you got this movement, right? Good. Good. So for Aussie dollar, I would like to repeat exactly. I figured it out because that's the only fall we had today. Good job, Daniel. Well done. $4,600 from a short position on Aussie dollar from Daniel. Now let's check who is with us. I see Mr. Nuno. Nuno, welcome to our live trading room. I see Oscar, although not very active. Hello, Oscar. How are you? Good afternoon. I see Patrick. I also see another newcomer, Phil. Phil, welcome to our live trading room. Welcome to our family here at Trademy.com. Where are you from, Phil? I would love to know the countries of your residences so that we know from how many nationalities we have in the trading room. I see also Rachel. Also, Rachel is a big fan of Trademy, always here, and thank you very much, Rachel. I see Roberto. I see Robin. Terence, welcome. And Torstein, welcome also, Torstein. So for the moment, let me write in the chat what type of positions I'm left with. I'm left only with 2 Forex pairs for the moment, and that's it, guys. It's Friday. I'm not planning to open any more positions. The only thing that is needed to do is position management, nothing more than that. So I'm long Aussie dollar. Entry level for my long positions was at 71,115. Stop loss 0.7603 and TP 0.7153. Currently my best performing trade for the moment. And also I'm long on dollar CHF at, let me wear my glasses because I'm getting old as well, guys. I cannot see the numbers very well. All right. So I'm also almost there, Daniel, almost there. So I'm also long dollar CHF. Entry level for the last long position was 99,574. Stop loss 0.99004 and TP 0.9963, 0.99924. There we go. This is the only 2 positions I currently have. As we can see, dollar CHF is also making money, but the position that is closest to our TP is Aussie dollar. So we are monitoring on the chart. Also, as I have informed you in the chat room, I'm expecting some important announcements from the United States, and it's about existing home sales. Okay, they will be out towards the end of our trading session, so we might extend the trading session a bit in order to see the impact this announcement might have on the dollar-denominated pairs. And there we go, guys. Green lights on my account. Green lights. We are getting ready to hit take profits on Aussie dollar. Great, great. But I cannot celebrate unless I hit the TPs and unless the positions are closed. So my target for today, let's make some money. Let's turn this balance again into positive territory as I have used to do that here at Trademy.com. Now, remember that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com, and also I would like to repeat once again that if you would like to know more about the strategy I'm currently using on Forex, you need to arrange a one-to-one session with me and discuss thoroughly about it. Also, if you would like to arrange a one-to-one session about any other strategies that you have and you think they don't work, or if you would like us to design your strategy, first of all, we need to identify what type of trader you are. Elif and myself, we can arrange one-to-one sessions, guys. You can arrange actually one-to-one sessions with either of the two of us, depending on what instruments you're trading. And we'll be more than glad to assist you on that. Our target here both is to make you profitable traders. Theory by itself is not enough. As Elif says all the time, practice. Don't be afraid to push the button. Calculate your risk. Don't be afraid losses. Don't feel excited about profits. They are all the part of the game. This is a profession, believe me, 15 years now, guys. This is a profession that you live and die 1,000 times per day. Who survives? The people who can stand with it. You live and die 1,000 times per day. And those of you who have years of experience, you know what I'm talking about. So we are here with you. We are here to assist you. Take advantage in a good sense for the mentors, me and Elif, and come to one-to-one sessions. Those of you who had one-to-one sessions, and there are some people here that have one-to-one sessions with us, they can confirm that the value you get is unbelievable. Strong heart, Daniel says. Of course, apart from heart, you need a lot of other things as well. But you're right, strong heart. So these are the current updates I have. As I said, I'm getting ready to hit TPs on Aussie dollar. What I see on the chart, for those of you who have just joined me, basically I'm using a mixture of indicators and moving averages and trend indicators to put more correctly. Basically, the first half of my page is the price action and trend indicators. In the group of the trend indicators, we have the Bollinger Bands and the moving averages and the parabolics. And below I have the so-called momentum indicators or oscillators that indicate to me if an existing uptrend or downtrend is strengthening or weakening. So what I observe here now regarding the momentum indicators, they are indicating me a strengthening uptrend. How do I get that? From the directional index indicator I'm using below. We have the positive DI, the green line, upward sloping above 20. The red line is below 20, weakening, and plus the ADX, which shows the rate of acceleration of the positive directional movement is at a very high level. So I'm expecting at any moment, based on the data I see in front of me right now, because for those of you that are trading with us for a couple of weeks, you know that the conditions can change at any moment. So based on what I see in front of me right now as we speak, I'm expecting a further upside movement on Aussie dollar, and I believe that we will manage and hit our TP before the end of our afternoon trading session, which might be extended 5 more minutes because we have important announcements for the US dollar coming out at 2 p.m. UTC time, existing home sales. So this is the current update I have, guys. How many of you are still long on Aussie dollar? Because this position was initiated yesterday. Excellent, Daniel, and well done for your patience. Well done for your patience. Who else, guys, has traded Aussie dollar or even dollar CHF with me? Who else? Who else has traded? That's why you are here, Daniel, actually to learn and get the feeling of the markets. Exactly. So who else has traded Aussie dollar? Who else has made money today from Forex trades? Share it with us. I have shared with you today a loss. So I lost $9,500 on dollar CAD. I'm sharing with you my experience, my losses. I don't want to share only the gains. I also want to share the losses because they are part of this profession as well. So today from dollar CAD, I lost $9,500. I was plus 8,800. Now it says minus 600. Daniel lost, for example, 298. Okay, it's part of the game. It's part of the game. It's part of life, even in life. 6,298. Okay, it's part of trading. I mean, it's like you open a company, because trading and having your own company is the same thing. This is your capital. Don't expect every year to be profitable. Exactly. You will lose one trade, you will get another, and that's why we are here, guys, to make you profitable traders. So, as I said, I'm patiently waiting for Aussie dollar to hit TP. For the moment, the trade is developing very well, and I'm left only with two FX pairs. Let me remind you, I'm long Aussie dollar, and also I am long dollar CHF. So I'm keeping these positions, letting them develop, let them run, and we will see how far we can go with them. So that's all I have for the moment, guys. Remember once again that at 2 p.m. we have existing home sales. Do you have any questions for me? You are more than welcome to type them in the chat room. Who is with us, guys? Can you hear us properly? Who is with us? I would love to see participation in the chat room. The purpose of the LTR is for you to ask us questions, learn, ask us whys. If you don't ask us why, it means that you are just watching, you are not paying attention. So I would love to receive your questions, and especially why. Why you did this, why you entered in this position, why we lost on dollar cut, why. I want to answer your whys. That's why we are here, both my colleague Elif and myself. So again, participate in the chat room, especially the newcomers, and use us in a good sense to learn from us, all right? So who is with us? Just type in the chat room if you are with us and hearing us and understanding what we are talking about. All right. You say you understand, maybe. Okay. Thorstein, you need to elaborate more what things you don't understand. On which Oscar says yes, excellent. It's nice to have participation. Thorstein, on which training program are you? On which training program are you with Trademy.com? If your program, guys, and this is for everybody, if your program does not involve moving averages, beginners, okay, stay with us. It's absolutely normal not to understand everything I say, but Thorstein, you need to upgrade your training program as soon as possible, okay? And in order to come to the same level and talk the same language, okay, so that you can understand me better. So, as I said, I'm monitoring the trades. The live trading session in the afternoon has just started. The US opening is in approximately 15 minutes from now. By that time, we will give a pass to Elif to update us and trade live the US session. All right, Oscar, nice to sharing this with us. Guys, it doesn't matter if you invest $1 or $1,000. I would like to congratulate you even if you have invested 1 cent of a dollar on education. Education is very important, okay? But practice and how things actually work when you trade is another thing. And this is the value of the one-to-one sessions, of course. So, who else with us? I know Torsten is with us. I know Daniel is with us. I know Oscar is with us. What about the rest, guys? If you want with me, Oscar, with me. If you want with my colleague Elif, with my Italian queen. Don't worry. Okay, Fred is with us. Nuno is with us. I hope you had enjoyed your lunch, Nuno. And it's nice to have you back. So, Fred, Nuno, Daniel, Oscar, Thorstein, what about Roberto? What about Rachel? Rachel, there you are, Rachel. I know that you're always here with us. Okay, guys, I will tell you now. Get ready to make money because Elif, I see here firing up. Elif, are you ready? The money producing machine, Elif Kundakshi, is getting ready for the afternoon session. So let's go straight to Elif and enjoy it, guys. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Yes, thank you, Kiriakos, for the nice word. Money making machine. Yeah, today it's a pet. Hello, Daniel. Hello, Rachel. Today we are not as good as usual. Until now, we closed only $5,859. I see, Oscar, I would like to have one-to-one, and Elif, of course, yes, here I am, just when you want to have a one-to-one, Oscar, anytime you want, feel free to contact your account manager. He has direct access to our calendars and he can always arrange something. So guys, today we are a bit slow. I remember, Rachel, you are with me in Italy 40 and you asked me, you told me that you are a bit afraid and you would like to know a stop loss. I'm looking forward for a turn. I'm looking forward to for a reversal on Italy 40. Currently, we are not making money. We didn't really move in any direction to get money out of it, but we will get there. But the most surprising of the day was gold, guys. Gold was really crazy today. It was really crazy today. So gold is really crazy. As you can see, we had a huge drop in the morning and then we had a move up, and now I'm thinking on gold if it's time for us to enter a position on gold, and I think it is. Let me see. I have to see the pattern, and according to the pattern, I will decide in which direction I would like to trade on gold. Let me see. Guys, I want to buy gold. Guys, I'm going 50 lots long on gold right now over here. And if I see that the price goes below 1,227, I will increase my exposure. This is what we will do, guys. Here we go. We are long on gold. And my take profit on gold is okay, my take profit on gold is 1,229.50. $29.10. Let's put it on 10, and we see it's around 4,000. Yeah, it's and okay. Yeah, it's around $2,000 profit. We will see how it will go. I see Daniel just entered with me that position. It's nice, Daniel. We will get there. So let's warm up and get ready for the US Open. It's Friday afternoon. It's the last trading day of the week, so we will have some volatility, but not a big one. Next week, we are expecting some action on our gold trades and on our oil trades. We are expecting next week some action, since next week we have a huge new discussions about the Italian budget, about oil, and that's why it's an interesting time next week to trade again. So we are short on gold, we are long on gold, short on Italy 40, and we are observing the market so far. And now let's go and check also oil. On oil, we had this nice up this morning. Now it had a drop and it's in a consolidation time. I will not enter anything right now. On gold, as I said, I'm expecting on gold eventually to enter again, to increase again my take profit, to enter again and increase my position. So Fred is asking for the position of gold. Definitely, I will put it right now. I am long on gold, and I entered at 1,228.56, and my take profit on this trade is at 1,229.10. And with this position, I'm aiming around $2,700 profit. Then I have two Italy 40 positions. These ones I will enter as well. Fred, since you didn't take part in the morning in our morning session, it's interesting for you to know also these ones which I opened this morning. I have two trades on Italy 40. I am short, and I entered both. Okay, the one I entered at 18,794.3, and for this one the take profit is at 18,790, and the other one again Italy 40 short. I entered that one at 18,764.3, and my take profit here is at 18,732.2. So guys, just for you newcomers, we have several newcomers today here who didn't trade before with me. It's still very new. Robin is very new with us. Nuno is very new, welcome. And Fred is very new. I want to explain you one short thing before we kick off with the US opening. Guys, we are very close to trade the US opening. Gold is profiting, by the way, at approximately 4 minutes. You're welcome, Nuno, anytime. And if you have any questions, just shoot with the questions. However, we have, in 4 minutes, we are going to have the US opening. And because we have the US opening, the Wall Street is opening. And Wall Street, you know, the shares are traded on the Wall Street. And I'm trading at that time the US indices, which is USA 30. It's this one, USA 30, it's the platform name, but the underlying asset is Dow Jones. So when I'm shouting Dow Jones, I'm trading Dow Jones, I mean USA 30. And I'm trading now at this time also USA 100. USA 100 is NASDAQ, all technical, big shares on New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, I start sometimes to shout, that's true. So, however, when I'm shouting USA 100 or NASDAQ, I need USA 100. So you can check that also. If you check here on the market watch, if you go on to the asset, you see we are right now on USA 100, and you see NASDAQ 100, the index, the technical index. When I talk about USA 30, this is Dow Jones. So if I shout Dow Jones, I mean that one. Gold is right now making us some money. I will put my gold trade here to have a... Guys, it's time to sell. I'm selling Dow Jones, I'm selling USA 100. Guys, I just sold gold. On Dow Jones, I'm making already $300. Before the opening, it started already before the opening, guys. Look at this. So we put directly take profit, guys. Let's put immediately take profit, especially on Dow Jones. We are making right now $450 on Dow Jones. I'm putting my take profit at, we are making $600. My take profit is at 25,460. 25,460. It might be very fast, and I might not be able to type these ones on chat, just for your information. And on USA 100, I'm putting my take profit at 7,155. So guys, currently we are making, there we go, ching ching, we hit already our first take profit on Dow Jones with $969 profit, guys. We just hit, and I'm going again short on Dow Jones. Let me see. Now this is the opening. Let me see how the opening will react, and then there we go. I just sold again USA 30. I just sold again USA 30, guys. I'm short on USA 30, and I will put my take profit. Come on. Okay, guys, let's get ready. We might sell again. We have a pullback. I have to decide if this is a pullback or if this on USA 30. If this is a pullback or if this is a reversal. However, I will put already a take profit. My take profit on my USA 30 position is at 25,415. This is my take profit, guys. So on Dow Jones, I have to see if I accept the loss and close the position and accept the loss, or if I go for another one. I didn't decide it yet. I didn't took a decision yet on Dow Jones. Let me see. Okay, let's give it a bit more time to take a decision. Okay, you see, I'm watching here at USA 100 and here at USA 30. It's the first 2 minutes after New York Stock Exchange open, and we had just one position which we closed. By now, the market is a bit indefined. You see, it's not clear if it will drop or go up. Let me see what's happening on the pre-market opening. On the shares, let me see. I see a rebound on very strong earnings. Guys, don't forget that we always have the possibility of hedging. Okay, I will go now long on USA 100. Just open a long position on USA 100, and I will accept the loss here. I will accept the loss here, which I have on USA 100. Yep, I accepted the loss of $1,200. Sometimes we have to accept that. Because $1,200 loss on USA 100 is a big loss, because USA 30 is not really moving on, guys. Not really moving on USA 30. Guys, on USA 100, I want to buy again. I just bought again USA 100. Why I bought again USA 100? I see that the okay, so I'm checking for further volumes on the pre-market opening. So with the loss on USA 30, I'm okay, because USA 30, it's a normal behavior. But USA 100, the move was too big. So we started to make money. Well, earnings growth, companies expect to have an increase in. So Apple rose by 1.2%. There we go, that's the reason. Guys, I will hedge also on USA 30. I just opened another position on USA 30, a long position on USA 30. So I'm short and long. And on the long position on USA 30, I will put a take profit. We are making already money on the long position at 25,510, or not 40, 10. This is my take profit. So we are making right now money on our long position on USA 100. We are making money on both position of USA 100. We are making money also on USA 30. Let me see on USA 100. How much I lost on USA 100? $1,200. Okay, so it means that I need at least $1,200 to break even with this position. Let me put my take profit here. $7,200 is my take profit. There we go. We are making $700. And here is my take profit also, 7,210. Guys, for all of you who couldn't follow me, there we go. There we go. We are making $1,000 on this position. $1,000 is very, very close to hit our take profit. Very close to hit take profit, guys. Nice one, nice one. Nasdaq is moving nicely. Dow Jones still needs a bit time. Now I'm considering if I should close my losing Dow Jones position. $1,000. We are making $1,000. So we are close to hit our take profit on. Come on, take profit, hit our take profit, guys. We are very close to hit take profit. There we go. We hit our take profit on USA 30 and on USA 100. We closed another $2,600. So let me see. Next one. On USA 100, we still have an open position. USA 30 runs. Also, we have a short position, so most probably we need to open another position here on USA 30. Let's see for a nice pullback and we will go again. You're welcome, Fred. I hope you had a nice time and could get some ideas of trading. So now we are making $900 on our US. Guys, I will go again USA 30 long. Just opened again USA 30 long. So for all of you that I'm going very fast, I hope you could catch up with me. I am currently long on USA 100. I am long and short on USA 30. And I am long on gold, guys. I'm also long on gold. On USA 100, currently we are making $1,000. We are making another $1,000. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Another take profit. Another take profit. We are very close to hit another take profit on USA 100. There we go. Come on. We hit another take profit on USA 100, guys. On USA 100, we just closed another $1,327. So, and we increased our profits for today to $9,605, guys. Let me see. I will now buy again. I'm getting ready to buy again. I'm getting ready to buy again. So on USA 30. Okay, guys, I'm buying now again USA 100. Just bought again USA 100 on USA 30. We are making right now $200. Where we will put our take profits here. Let me see where we will put our take profits. On USA 100, I will put my take profit at 7,215. No, I will put it a bit higher. I will put it at 7,220. This is my take profit for this position. And I will aim, I'm aiming another $500, guys. So my next position is USA 100. 100. And I entered at 7,208.46. My take profit is at 7,220. And the other one is also long USA 30. And my take, I entered at 25,525.33. And my take profit, I don't have a take profit for that yet. Let me see how it is. So, guys, I have to define the take profit for my USA 30 position. Let me see. Could you follow me, guys, or I'm too fast? Just tell me, just give me feedback. My take profit is at 25,000. 25,550. This is my take profit. Oh, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. We are making $1,000, guys. We are making, and ching ching, we hit another $1,000. $1,223 on our USA 30 position. We needed for this trade just 5 minutes, guys. Within 5 minutes, we made this money. So let's see what's next. What's next? What's next?
Τι έπαθε πάλι.
Huh?
Freeze.
What's next? Let me see. Okay, now the market is moving a bit down. And when the market is moving a bit down, it's for us time to enter, right, guys? We buy the dips. We buy the dips. This is the credo here. We buy the dips. Okay, I'm going long again on USA 30, guys. Just entered again long on USA 30, Dow Jones. Ready. And also here, my take profit is at I'm thinking of my take profit. Where should I put my take profit? Okay, my take profit is at 25,590. This is my take profit on USA 30, and I believe at around 25,610-ish, USA 30 will start to drop. So let me see also for USA 100. Yep, that's good, that's good. Also, our gold trade started to recover. This means it's back to gold, it's back to gold. So let me see, guys. Just guys, give me a short feedback if this is what I'm doing. It's kind of clear for you, or if I'm just making you guys crazy. Oh, something is going on with... I'm happy, Daniel, that it's clear for you. You are also since a few months with us, so for you it's now you know. By now you saw me so many times trading, you know how I trade. For the newbies it might be still a bit unclear, but if there is something, just let me know so I can handle that as well. So guys, it started to slow down a bit. We have our take profits. I will adjust a bit my take profits. On USA 30, as I said, I'm expecting at 25,610-ish a reversal. Yeah, there is also, there we are expecting also news. So I will pass now to Kyriakos to give us a short update before the news, and then we will be back here. I believe during the housing data, we will have some movement also here at our indices. And there we go, guys, there we go. USA 100 started the rally to hit our take profit. Also USA, there we go. I will close also our USA 30 positions. I want to close also my USA 30 position. Here we go. I will put it at 25,560 is my take profit, guys. On USA, there we go. We are very close to hit our take profit on USA 30 and on USA 100. We are getting there. Another 2 pips, 3 pips, and we are done. Okay, so let's go to Kyriakos to give us a short update about his Forex positions, and then we are here back to my indices to see what's going on. So please, Kyriakos.
Thank you very much, Elise. So as you can see, guys, we are getting very close to hit our take profit on Aussie dollar. And if we do that, then we will turn again positive our daily profitability. So we are just 7 pips away, and we also have news announcements, new home sales in approximately 8 minutes from now. So I believe it's a high probability trade, guys. First of all, congratulations to those who are still holding this trade. It's running since yesterday, and is what I have said many times, that you need to be patient and manage your risk. Keep your feelings apart, and there is no reason why not to succeed in the field of trading. So Aussie dollar trade is developing very well. We are just 6 pips away. 6 pips away from our take profit. And as I said, currently I'm down $626. I would love to see that balance turn again into positive territory. So I'm patiently waiting for the Aussie dollar trade to close. There we go, guys. There we go. Let's see. Now we are just 5 pips away. Let's see if we will manage and close that trade with a profit. Let's see, guys. So it will be really good to see that. Come on. Just less than 6 pips. We just need a small spike. The daily highs have been broken to the upside. So it's a matter of minutes, I believe, to close that trade with a profit. It's just a matter of minutes. There we go, guys. There we go. Let's see. Now we're just less than 5 pips now. Okay. Come on. Already we have covered. You see the philosophy of the system? The losing trade has been fully recovered by the reversal position. So we have covered these losses and we are making money as well. Plus we have this trade extra. So that's the strategy, guys. So I'm waiting for it to close any minute now. Just 1.3 pips and we close it, guys. Come on, just a little bit more up. How many of you are still on Aussie dollar? We are very, very, very close to hit our TP. Excellent, Daniel. Well done. And congratulations for your patience one more time. 7150 is a round number. I hope we don't see a correction so that we see it live. News are out in a moment. So new home sales in approximately 5 minutes. Let's see if the news announcements assist the directional. You are up $243. All right. It's good money, guys. Excellent, Daniel. Who else is with me on Aussie dollar, guys? Since yesterday, actually. All right. I'm waiting for the news announcements. USA 30 hit take profit. You want to give us an update on that, Elif?
Yes.
All right. There we go.
Hey guys, so USA 30 hit take profit, and we increased our profit so far for today to $11,522. Now I'm looking at USA 100 to hit also take profit. We are expecting here another $500. Guys, we are expecting here another $500. On USA 30, I'm waiting now for a pullback, and then I will shoot again. I will shoot it. There we go. I'm buying now again. We are 4 minutes away from the home state. And after the home state, I believe that it will give a drop. And until that point, I will keep this position and we will see what will happen. And as you know, we have another one position here open on USA 100. I still stick on it. I still stick on it because this move up here, it's just because of the New York Stock Exchange opening, and I believe that afterwards the market will have a very strong drop, and that's why I still keep my position on my sell position on Dow Jones. Let me see, USA 100 is making also now money. And another 3 minutes to to go, less than 3 minutes to go for the did the reversal started already, guys? On the no, it didn't. Come on, I don't see the less than 3 minutes to go for the news. I will put here a very narrow take profit, guys. But if I see that the market drops strongly, I need to take actions because, as I said, overall, I'm expecting New York Dow Jones to drop, guys. That's why I have to be a bit carefully here. I have to be a bit carefully. 25,580 will be my take profit. Very narrow, very small profit. But still, let's see. Because I believe during the announcement, it might have a spike and then start reversing. And we'll get there, hopefully. There we go. Another 1 minute to go for the news, and we will be there, guys. Our gold trade also just catched up. Okay, so I'm passing now for the last minute before the news to Kyriakos. Let's see how the effect on the Forex pairs will be. And in worst case scenario, I have to jump into a conversation and inform you about USA 30s.
You are very welcome, Elif. Nice profits there. Okay, guys, we are just minutes before the news, and as you can see, our Aussie dollar position is still developing very well. So just to let you know, the figures that we are expecting is existing home sales for the United States. Forecasts are talking about 5.3 million sales, existing home sales. Let's see what the actual figure will be. Anytime now, we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com. So actually, this is the last important announcement for this week. Also, don't forget those who have pound pairs. There is Bank of England's Governor Carney's speech tonight, this afternoon actually, in approximately 2 hours and 10 minutes from now at 4:10 p.m. UTC time. So if you have pound pairs trading, keep an eye on them, right? Bank of England Governor Carney will have a speech at 4:10 UTC time, 4:10 p.m. UTC time. Existing home sales are out now any minute. Breaking news, 5.3 millions. Let's see, fall. Existing home sales fall. So worse than expected. Fundamentally, this means that the dollar will weaken. The dollar will weaken, is weakening against the euro, but not against the Aussie that we are long for the moment. Let's see the reaction. Let's see the reaction. So news announcements, 5.15 million versus 5.30 million. So we have a slightly worse than expected number there for the United States. But we don't see the desired reaction on the pairs. Let me also check euro dollar. Euro dollar 15 minutes chart. Let me see. Euro dollar reacted as expected, as I was telling you, but Aussie dollar did not. Let's see if Aussie dollar will follow the direction of euro dollar. It's not that we are far away from our TP, we are just 6 pips away. No. So, it seems that I didn't have the desired reaction on Aussie dollar, actually it's going the other way, but I'm keeping the position. Absolutely no worries. I will stay with you guys for a little longer so that we will see the reaction, if there is any reaction. So, no, I don't see the desired reaction. The reaction was on the euro dollar. We saw the upside movement, but unfortunately on Aussie dollar, we're making money, guys. We are making 8,000, but I'm not the person that closes the positions before they hit TPs. So I'm leaving these trades develop. Okay, for the moment, as I said, I'm long Aussie dollar, I'm long dollar CHF. I will allow the trades to develop, and when we come back on Monday, I will let you know if these trades have closed or if they are still under development. So thank you very much for being with us. It has been a real pleasure to see new people participating as well. And we will see you again on Monday at 8 a.m. in the morning UTC time. From myself, before I pass to Elif, I would like to thank you for being with us. Have a wonderful weekend. Get some rest, and next week, let's continue our making money process here at Trademy.com. So from me, guys, have a nice weekend. Thank you very much for being with us, and all the best. See you again on Monday. Elif, we pass to you for the final conclusion.
Hello guys, here I am again. So here the same picture. Here we go. We just hit take profit on Dow Jones again. There we go, guys. We hit our take profit on Dow Jones, and on USA 100 we closed both positions. We increased our profits for today to $12,332. We are still left with one of our gold positions, one of our USA 30 positions, which is a sell position. Here I will wait until the price goes to 25,600, and then I'm expecting a drop, as I said. That's why I still keep it open. On USA, on gold, this is just easy peanuts. So I see that Oscar will go for a short trip, let's say, and he will be back very soon. Thank you, Oscar, for being with us and participating on the live trading room. I hope you had a nice time and you could learn something in addition to what you knew before. And we are looking forward to see you here again in our community. Daniel is short in gold and he's making money. That's good, Daniel. I'm glad hearing this, that you guys are making money, and soon on Monday I will be looking for you, Oscar. I will be looking for you. Hopefully you will be back soon, waiting for you. Here with Kyriakos, we will be always happy to see you back here. No, Daniel, I didn't yet. I will see, and I'll see how my trade will develop. It's the day I'm thinking right now. No, I will not put any further trades for so soon we will yeah, Robin, it will come soon, this position. No worries, it's just due to, you can see that here very clearly. The news came out, all the money flow to the indices, and gold is a bit throwing back. When this push is over, the money will come back to gold. But you have to keep a very conservative, take profit on gold as well, and then we will be okay. So guys, thanks a lot for being with me here. See you again on Monday, 8 o'clock UTC time here at Trademy.com. Have a nice weekend and see you on Monday. Bye bye, guys.